Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated process of adding your phone number to your LinkedIn profile. This is a simple way to enhance your profile, making it easier for connections and recruiters to reach you. So, let's dive right in. First, open your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. You'll find the Me icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile options. Next, you need to head over to Settings. Once you've tapped on the Me icon, a menu will appear. Look for Settings and tap to enter. Here, you'll find various options to customize your LinkedIn experience. Now, find and tap Account Preferences. This section allows you to adjust your account details and preferences. Now, under the profile information, you'll see several options related to your profile. Look for name, location, and industry and tap on it to proceed. This section allows you to modify your basic profile details. In the Name, Location, and Industry section, find and click on the Edit icon, then enter Edit Contact Info. This will take you to your contact information settings, where you can add or modify your contact details. Alright, now you're at the crucial step. In the Phone Number section, you'll find a bar where you can add your phone number. Tap on this bar and enter your phone number, including your country code. Make sure you double-check the number to ensure it's accurate. Once you've entered your phone number, the final step is to save the information. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen, and tap it to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to your LinkedIn profile. This will help people connect with you more easily and ensure that recruiters can reach you for potential opportunities. Adding a phone number can significantly improve your networking and job search efforts on LinkedIn. It ensures you're accessible for important communications. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for making the most out of your LinkedIn presence. Take a moment to review your profile regularly to ensure all your information is current and accurate. So go ahead, update your profile and make it easier for the right people to connect with you.